So, hello everyone. Today's date is, what is it? 13/4/25 and Sunday. I hope you are having a good Sunday. So, today we are about to discuss few problems, numerical on resistivity. On resistivity. Rho. RHO, rho. Okay. So first question is that, a copper wire of length 2 meter. There is a copper wire of length 2 meter. There it is, 2 meter. You can see it. A copper wire of length 2 meter and cross-sectional area 1.7 to 10 to the minus 6 meter square. And resistance of the conductor is 2 into 10 to the minus 2 ohm. So what do you have to find in this? You have to find in this question the resistivity of copper wire. So see here, simple given data, we know that R is equal to rho L by A. Now to find rho, I just cross multiplied, taken A to LHS and R is already in LHS and taken L to the denominator, because it is in cross multiplication. What do you do? Write this like this. Okay. So we got the formula rho is equal to R into A by L. Now you have the data R is equal to 2 into 10 into 10 into 10 to the power 2 ohm. Now 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square divided by L, length, that is 2 meter. 2 meter. Now cancel out the 2 and 2. We have cancelled out 2 and 2. What is left here? 10 to the power minus 2, 1.7 to 10 to the power 6. So this minus 2 and it will not be divided, okay? Sorry, 10 to the power minus 2. Both are by. Cannot be divided. So we just add up 10 to the power 6 to many students in your class, or in might you have confusion here. So how it became 10 to the power minus 8? You see, you might know this formula a to the power n r into a to the power m. If the base is same, then you can m means m plus n. Okay, m plus, add up the power. Okay, so you are doing this formula. So we just add up the power 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. First question done. Understood? Second question. A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 mm. There is a copper wire whose diameter is 0.5 mm. So that radius would be, we know that radius is equal to d by 2. So 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 0.25. Divided by 1000, because we have to convert it into meter. So we just convert it into meter. So 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Got it? Now, if we got the radius, then A is equal to cross-sectional area is equal to pi r square. So pi r square, we got the area. Okay. Now complete the question. What is to find in this question? A copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 mm and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 to the power 8 ohm meter. Okay. This goes like this, so don't be confused. Okay. Here you go. The resistivity is this much. Question A, if the length of what would be the length of the conductor to make the resistance 10 ohm? कितना होना चाहिए लेंथ कंडक्टर का कि उसका रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो 10 ओम हो जाए? अंडरस्टूड? और इसमें क्वेश्चन बी, व्हाट वुड बी द रेजिस्टेंस इफ द डायमीटर इज ट्वाइस और डबल अप? अगर डायमीटर दुगना हो जाए तब क्या होगा? तो लेट्स सी. First you just understood that how I just got the area. Okay. Now rho is equal to, you know that R into A by L. Same formula. We have the data R is equal to 10 ohm. First question 10 ohm, 10 ohm, and cross sectional area we just got it here from here, transport it to here. Okay. Now we know the value of rho 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 is given ohm meter. Now this one is, here is your calculation here. If you have not understood, you understand that generally students have difficulty understanding how this happens. See, If it is 10 to the power minus 2, it means 1 by 100. And if it is 10 to the power minus 6, it is means 1 by 1 to the power 6, 1 पे 6 zeros, 6 zeros on 1. 10 to the power minus 8 means 1 by 1 tens, 100,000, you can do it. Okay, lakhs, crores, whatever it is. So if it is 10 to the power minus 6 by 10 to the power 8, if I want to make it positive, then you can write 10 just opposite, 10 to the power 8 by 10 to the power 6. So now easily can be divided, correct? If you divide it, then you will get 100. So now see here, 10 to the power 8, 0.1964. So 6 zeros we have cancelled out. 2 zeros are left here. So it will come here 100. So I just divided this. See, if you will remove this decimal, then you will get 10 here. So we have written 10, and already there was a 10 and 1000. From where this 1000 came? 1000 came from, you see that 1000, the value decimal, if you will remove this decimal if you will remove, you will get 1000. So 2 zeros cancel, and these 2 zeros which were left here, we have just divided by this, b is minus 2. Okay, so 1964 divided by 16. If you will divide it, here is the division. If you don't know this division, then you can go through this, but I hope you know this division. So finally you will get 122.75 meter because it is the length. Now come back to the second question. What is the second question? Second question was, what would be the resistance if the diameter is doubled up? See, bache. The resistance is inversely proportional to the diameter, square of the diameter. Okay, square of the diameter. We know that resistance is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. Okay, and so it will be 1 by 1/4. How is it, sir? See, the resistance of a wire is inversely proportional to the square of its diameter. The resistance of a wire, conductor or wire is inversely proportional to the square of its diameter. Diameter का स्क्वायर से ये होता है. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन कहाँ पे? We have not written that one, but concept is that resistance of a wire is inversely proportional to the square of its diameter. So it is 1 by 2. If it is 1 by 2 square, then it will be 1 by 4. So it will be 1/4. B number question's answer 1/4. FOURTH 1/4. So if the diameter of the conductor will be doubled up, then resistance will be 1/4 to the previous one. Okay. Third question, last but not the least, a 6 ohm resistant wire is doubled up by folding. 6 ohm resistance wire is doubled up by folding. So if you just double it from the middle, then cross sectional area will be twice. So whatever it was, it now become 2a, and whatever L was, it become L by 2 because you just folded it. Okay. So when you fold it, then it will get half, and cross sectional area will get doubled. So in the first case, you have to find the new resistance. Question is that 6 ohm resistance wire is folded up. Okay. So what would be the new resistance? Previous one is having the resistance 6 ohm. So if the area of cross section A and length L and resistance 6 ohm, so R is equal to rho L by A. Correct? So 6 we can write here, 6 is equal to rho L by A. Let it equation 1. Now new resistance, let that this conductor have the resistance Rn. Okay, new resistance. So now length is half and area is twice. Cross section area is twice. So we just put the data here, rho L by 2 and 2a. So Rn is equal to rho L by, so you see here L by 2 and divided by 1 by 2a. So it would be L by 4a. Now we can write like this, 1 by 4 into rho L by a. हमने बस इसे अलग करके लिख लिया, 1 by 4 ऐसे लिख लिया and rho L by a ऐसे सेपरेट करके लिख सकते हैं. We have given no change, just write it in a format that we can get rho L by a. Now the value of rho L by A from equation 1 is that 6. So we just put this value here, 6. Okay. Now 6 into 1, 6, 6 by 4, 3 by 2, 1.5. So new resistance is say 1.5. I hope you have understood. These are the problems related to resistance. Thank you and Jai Hind.